Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off message reminders on Instagram. We start by opening Instagram and then clicking on the Settings and Activity menu. After that, click on Notifications. Here we click on the Messages category. Finally, we are going to look for the Message Reminders category, and we can deactivate them if we do not want it to remind us that they have sent us messages. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.